Historic buildings are being restored in Petropavl. One of them, built more than a century ago, is now a monument of national significance. The two-story mansion, popularly known as the House of the Bride, once belonged to merchant Jan Gurazov and features a blend of European Art Nouveau and traditional Eastern art. The interior design incorporates floral and other natural motifs. The building's unique architectural style has been remarkably well preserved, even under multiple layers of paint. Interestingly, each room in the house was found to be distinct, with its original purpose now identifiable only through its wall paintings. Moreover, white is almost entirely absent from the interior color scheme, with green predominating instead.
Во время реставрационных работ
During the restoration work, we discovered unique alfresco paintings, which can still be seen on the ceilings and walls today. Such paintings may no longer exist elsewhere in Kazakhstan. While studying the monument, we found that white is almost absent in the building's interior. Unlike the modern convention of having white ceilings in all our rooms, the merchant Jan Gurazov's house had no white ceilings at all. Every ceiling and wall was painted. During the facade restoration, our main task was to uncover its historical coloration. We found that ochre and green colors were used.
Розетка изготовлена в Риге, тут есть печать.
The socket was made in Riga, and it has a stamp dating back to the early 20th century. All the elements were used in the interior design. The building is unique. For example, this large one was located here, where the chandelier used to be.
Здесь. Это можно снять, да. Да, где люстра была.